Let's begin by finding a comfortable position in a posture that feels relaxed and calm. Close your eyes, soften your forehead. Let there be a soft smile in the corners of your lips. Now take a few long, deep breaths to settle the mind and body. Take a low, deep breath from the stomach. Hold it for a moment. Then gently release that breath. And just repeat that pattern a couple of times, taking slow, deep breaths, allowing any tension you're holding to melt away. Now naturally allow your breathing to become light and easy. Allowing the rise and fall of the breath to happen in its own time, at its own pace. Just following the breath as it floats through you, following it in, following it out, breath by breath, moment by moment. You might notice thoughts arising as you rest, thoughts about the past, thoughts about the future, thoughts about something you should have said or done, thoughts about what you need to eat. Don't make an effort to look for thoughts, but when they arise, simply notice them. In particular, notice if they have a charge. Pay attention to whether they trigger emotion of any kind. What we want to do is refrain from getting sucked into the content of our thoughts and emotions. Ideally, we want to view thoughts like water trickling down a stream, letting thoughts come, letting thoughts go, letting emotion come, letting emotion go, not getting caught up in them, simply observing the thoughts that are happening without taking them so seriously. Allow everything to come and go like your breath. Breath after breath after breath. Now rest your attention, taking a few deep breaths, noticing how it feels to pay attention to thoughts without clinging to them. Now make an intention to hold on to the and as we approach the end of this meditation, once again, just relax your attention. Come back to the room. Come into your body. Feel it alive. And when you're ready, open your eyes.